It's recording.
Hello again and welcome to the Prince Magnum channel. This is a special episode where I'm going to take a moment to thank some wonderful students at the Unitech Career Center here in Bonne Terre. They did an amazing job. Spirit's new shift knob. Now it's not got the fancy smancy paint job that Faye is going to do, but they tapped out a cue ball for me so we can do this. Now that's sweet. That's sweet. That feels good in the hand. I mean, just all around, that feels real great. Once again, this is just a special episode of do-it-yourself budget hot rodding. Project Spirit's got a new shift knob, custom built for her shifter, all thanks to some wonderful students at the Unitech Career Center in Bonne Terre. Whichever student it was that did it, I want to thank you. I don't know your name, but they didn't tell me, but I want to thank you personally from the bottom of my heart for hooking me up on this project. And I hope after you graduate, you go on to do other amazing things. With all that being said, if nobody's told you that they love you today, Prince Magnum does. God bless you and have a happy 24th. Thank you.